I'm Nathan, and we're back in the New Life Scientific Tech Shop for our second weekly walkthrough video. We missed last week. We apologize to all of you loyal viewers who were anxiously awaiting the second weekly review. I was out of town, so that was my bad. But we're back here live. We're going to see what the techs are doing today, and I'm going to continue to pretend that I understand what they're talking about. Right now we're on the listing floor where photographs are taken, and you can see we've got quite a pile of equipment right now that's either been photographed or is about to be photographed. So the techs have been busy, and we like when the techs are busy because it means new products are flowing through. It's time for the weekly walkthrough.
All right, welcome.
Yes. So hopefully you're loaded with juicy, beautiful, exciting products that will wow our customers.
This is an impressive one here. The AutoChemi system from UVP. The tech support has been excellent on this.
Yeah. Looks like it's Darkroom day.
Yes, we had several of them, and we've got one already listed. And but this is a very nice system. Comes with software. It's going to come with software, PC.
Does it have the transilluminator? I thought you told me this didn't have the transilluminator.
We did borrow one from our boneyard.
Oh, okay. The boneyard once again gets a shout out. So this is like the secret place that our techs go to get things.
Yeah, it has a G. It actually has a GE branded. They're all probably made by two different companies.
UV light is UV light, I imagine.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. This one has the white light drop down lamp into it.
So I see like a little pad in there. Are you gonna do a demo today? Like, are we actually going to get a live demonstration of a product running?
Yeah, why not?
It's good.
And that's a good idea.
It's almost like you thought of that or something.
Wow. That's a great, I'll have to remember
brilliant.
that.
Well, the techs are stepping it up on Fridays.
Anyway, it's got upper UV light as well as upper white. Camera is not the best camera I've seen, but I can't remember seeing a better one other than the one that's in that one. Well, why don't you let me debug this a little bit. I just moved it onto this table. I need to debug it for a minute.
We got him.
It's not detecting the cabinet just because anyway.
1 us, 0 the techs.
Let's see what Rich is doing. We got some exciting things.
Okay, I guess we'll go see what Rich is up to and technical difficulties.
I just now pulled this into my area. I'm going through everything that's included with it. It's really, really nice Siemens chemistry analyzer. I'm excited because it is nice. So I'm having fun with this.
I wish we could have seen this one dance. I mean, this is like,
next week when you do it, hey, this thing's going to be up and running.
Okay, you're going to wait for us to come around, or?
Oh yeah, as nice as this is, yeah.
Wow.
So it'll probably be a whole week on it. Just making sure everything's there, making sure it's working right. Just a lot to these machines. So
we don't do a lot of large-scale chemistry analyzers, but every once in a while we'll bring in some clinical tools, and this one is. I've seen quite a few. Yeah. I've seen quite a few tools in my life. This one is in great shape.
Yeah, beautiful condition. Very little use on it, so very clean. Right now I've got a huge wave bioreactor here that I'm waiting on a few parts. We'll get this thing up and running. Just got a few parts I've ordered in.
So, I mean, you're not going to show this thing moving?
No, I got to install the parts first. I don't like to do anything. I've noticed a couple things I need to replace, so I'm not even going to power it up until we do that.
Alternatively, this could be a fish tank for the front entry of the office. We do need a centerpiece.
Oh yeah, absolutely. You could do some neat things with this thing.
This thing heats, right? So this could also be like a hot tub for for the conference room. So we got a conference room without a table in it right now. So why not a hot tub?
Yeah. Really had to tear down this machine, waiting on a thermal cooler for this. Waiting some parts I just ordered today. This is a homogenizer using really high pressures just to homogenize liquids. So
yeah, it's a microfluidics system.
Again, just lots of parts that we're waiting on. But
I do the purchasing along with another person here, so we usually see them upstream. see them in a picture, and then we get to see them in real life.
Yeah, it's a really
Now-
nice machine.
You were digging through the insulation in this to get to the Peltier, right?
Yeah, they buried it down in there, yeah. So we were getting Peltier errors on the machine, so just diagnosing, finding out that the Peltier was bad. So just really completely tearing it down, getting to it. And it just literally just, it lays right inside here with the wires coming out, and it flips up and lays on the heat sink here with a cooling fan under it. So it just pulls the heat away, and that's what actually chills the chamber for taking the measurements. So yeah.
So we're talking an osmometer that doesn't freeze. That's bad.
Yeah.
Place the
that's
Peltier,
really bad.
get the freezing again. Now you can test freezing.
Yeah, so we're putting a brand new one in it and getting up and going again and running some tests on it when it gets done. Yep.
So Bart, I think 2 weeks ago you promised me you'd have something really cool though. So
Not so cool, but I'm proud of it.
well, that's cool.
This was this is a Huber Uni or Mini
Unichiller. Yeah.
Unichiller that made a lot of noise when it was spinning, and we contacted Huber on whether it was even possible to remove the pump, and they told us, well, it's very difficult, send it in. And we don't like that answer. So we tried. I had Rich look at it. I looked at it. We spent a long time trying to figure out how to get this motor out.
Yeah.
We did get it out. We put new bearings in
So
it.
this is the motor right here.
Yep. And now I'm just trying to get it aligned.
Sweet.
After that, it should be good to go.
So what was the secret? I mean,
There is a hole in the side that you have to get in there, and I bent a T-handle to get in there, hold it.
you
and
ruined
then
a
you spin-
T-handle.
And you spin that to loosen it off the propeller.
So you're telling me the hole here is how you accessed it? So there's a little like fitting on the side of this. What is that chamber? Is that the actual like reservoir for liquids?
Yeah.
And so inside of here, there's a. How did you figure that out?
I figured the hole had to be more than just a drain. Considering the drain is right here, so it's not too far off, you might as well just not consider this a drain. But I said, hey, we got it out, how much do you want for the motor? And they said $600 for a shaft and a motor.
So let me guess, we were able to find it used?
No, we just put new bearings in it.
Oh, right.
Disassembled the pump and then
That is a double stick it to the man. Fix it yourself and then don't buy the motor from them. So, yeah, $600 for a motor. I don't think so. Robert, welcome to our first tech walkthrough that you're a part of. Robert doesn't have a lab coat and it's our fault. But I ordered it.
You did. It's out for embroidery. So I have it, but then they took it back. So they're getting a good old company logo put on.
He's getting a logo. Well, that's important.
Yeah.
We'll forgive you. We're here to bug you and see what you're doing.
Well, we just had to turn this off. It's a chiller that is not chilling. So,
And why is that a problem, Robert?
well, it's in the name. It's supposed to chill.
Uh-huh.
So we're looking at see if the compressor's coming on. If it's not, I'm gonna try to diagnose and see what's going on with that compressor. Other than that, we just finished up a Tissue Tech embedding console, so we're at the computer doing some notes on it, having the listers some good information to put it up for sale.
Okay. So we just missed the embedding system.
You did.
The wax extravaganza.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I was gonna make some pun about how that thing is chilling right now on the
It is,
table, but
it's not.
that wouldn't be funny if I made that pun,
Right,
so I'm not gonna
right.
make it.
Right.
See what I did there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We
Okay.
have a second chiller back there as well, which we did get to chill. We just got to put an inlet outlet right on the side.
This guy right here,
Yep.
a Lauda Ecoline.
Oh yeah, we got some new fittings for it. Nice brass fittings. Mm-hmm. Fit right up in there. Put this all back together and she'll be good to go.
Sweet. Chillers. Everybody needs them.
Chills to about -25, -27. So,
Celsius.
yep.
Yep. Not warm.
No.
That is not a heating bath. Well, it probably heats too.
It
doesn't
does. It does. Yeah.
Cool. All right. Well, Robert, he did some work. He got his embedding system done a little early. All right, Steve, we cut you a break.
Okay,
We
well, I'm
gave
back.
you literally almost the entire length of this video so that you could get something prepped.
Okay, well, we're gonna be over there on
Okay.
the UVP while this loads. That'll take a couple minutes. Anyway, we're on the AutoChemi system.
Okay.
As I was saying, nice camera into it, very automatic system.
He's giving you all the pitch. You see this? This is
Yeah.
the pitch that
As known as, yes. So
he's going to train Bart for the salesman thing next week.
here's its active, what the camera is currently seeing here. And these are our controls. It has a power zoom and focus so that we can actually focus and zoom, set the aperture.
I'm guessing we see things because of the UV light.
Because of the UV light,
Okay.
because it's totally dark in there other than the ultraviolet. Then we can select our picture to work on. Then we can use the tools, annotation, picking up the lanes. I'm still learning the software. Yes, it's the same as the others, but it's different.
Right.
So having this up for just really since noon,
That's cool.
not doing too bad.
You know, we'll cut you a break.
Yeah, okay.
You're the first person to show us a running instrument today. So, the problem with the tech shops is once an instrument is running, it leaves. It's kind of like a hospital, like you've got patients, you never see healthy people there because, all the healthy people leave once they're healthy. So that's what happens to Steve. Are we going to see the microplate reader?
While it's there, yes, it is.
All right.
The
This is-
Victor X5.
Now, what does the 5 stand for, Steve? This is a quiz.
I haven't read the manual yet.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, I accuse people of never reading the manuals, and I haven't done this. But I can show it kind of move.
Let me tell you, Steve, because I know.
Okay.
Because
Please impart the wisdom.
I bought this piece, and it's the amount of read modes it has. It's
Okay.
got 5 read modes.
So luminescence, fluorescence,
Okay, I didn't say I could list them all, but there is,
Okay.
I think it, I don't know. I don't remember what all it does. Yeah, luminescence, fluorescence. I don't know if it does time resolve fluorescence, but it does quite a...
Yeah, probably is. That would be the 4 of the 5 that I could probably name.
Anyways.
Now this one has a sipper, but I don't think we're going to use it. It looks like it's missing some parts. But the scanner itself, the reader, does work. We're running some mystery fluid into it. And then I also have, as a control, just something to block the light so I'll be able to see what it thinks is a non-read situation.
Yeah.
And it is fast, too.
That's some work right there.
Yeah, now this one here was my control,
Yeah.
where I just something to block the light. Mixtures of
Mystery fluid, as you
mystery
call it?
fluid, yeah. But we are getting variations where we should. It is acting like it should.
And it's doing absorbance. That's what the ABS is right there?
Yes.
It's absorbent? Okay. So theoretically, we could look at those list of modes and we would know. But that's an ELISA absorbance.
Yes.
So, I mean, it's, there's,
Yeah, and this one has shake. That may be the 5th, because this one also it has a shaker.
Oh.
But yeah, on some of the assays that are in there, I mean, there's absorbance, luminescence, protein assay, Alamar Blue, of course the ELISA Absolute.
It's almost like somebody named their run in their Amy's ECA protein.
Yeah, that could be.
Are we doing another run?
It does it because it's in the run. It's this program
it's
to
this
do a
program to do-
450
I see.
and a 550.
So dual wavelengths, not simultaneously, but progressively. That's cool. Well, congratulations. Out of all the machines you've seen today, you showed us the 2 functional machines. So, hats off to you.
Okay, no hat today.
Yeah, well, that's okay. That's all right.
Okay.
All right.
Thanks for stopping by.
No problem. I think our work is done here. We have sufficiently aggravated the technicians and sufficiently exposed ourselves as a tech shop. Not that we have anything to hide, but maybe that's a little brutal.
We'll see you next week, next time.
Right on. So, until next time, thanks for stopping by. And if you did, thanks for watching. That's the guy used to say that on YouTube. If you did, thanks for watching. So, some guy on a math channel. I don't know. So, I think our work is done here.
The door's that way.
Yeah, the door's,